Hey, welcome back, and today we will be doing some more Roblox. Yep, Roblox. Who friend requested me? No one's friend requested me. No. Okay, Vinny is playing Beast Mode. If you didn't watch the last video, if you watched it, you'll know who this guy is. Vinny. Your brother, he's cringes. The HB. So hold your horses. Oh, sorry. I just said hold your horses. So stupid. Anyway, we're going to play some Beast One. We're going to join him. We're going to be saying, let's go find him. He's doing something weird. Ugh. I wonder what he's doing. He's pretty good, but I am better. Oh yeah, I completed his quest. His first one, and then there's the second one, what makes him get that really cool one. He only gives you this one, but it's still really good. So I'm not that good, but I can get 100,000. I look weird, but I think it's really cool. So we're just, I haven't got that many because I spent a lot of it. And one big go. Bye, Sunbear, I didn't want your really cool thing now. There's traveling bears, so they give a load of different stuff. I suppose we're going to be doing on today's episode. I have done one other episode on this, which was when I showed you that I got on the high up there. Oh my gosh, I look weird. Oh my gosh, my skin color looks, oh, the panda color. That's really weird. Why has my head got that? I don't like this, but half panda, half Roblox player. That's not fair. How was that fair? At least I won't be weird bear person anymore. Okay, let's do this. Gonna go. I wonder who the new bear will be. I'm thinking grizzly bear. I told my brother I know it's going to be a sun bear. But yep, I think it's going to be grizzly next. Because that's one of the only bears left he can do. Do you know what would be really funny if you know black bear and that some of them do animations? So I'm really bad at this. Why am I so bad? I don't get it. But anyway, I think it would be really cool if you know, like Black Bear and the bears, they all do like those swearing animations. Imagine if he got the bear bee as a traveling one when the event is over, and that's in 2 days, and then he'll be the next visitor. That would be really funny. Like you see the animation, but it's like a bee spinning and something like that. No, I got far. Shall we go find my brother? Let's go find my brother. Let's go ask him, where are you? Sorry if I get quiet whilst I do this. Oh, okay, I'm done. I'm done. If it responds, that would be good. The Vinny's bear's going back. Yeah. Is he going to respond? Is he up here? I feel like he's up here. Yes, he is. Has he responded? No. Let's go say hi. Yeah. 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 I know. What have I just done? Lag is insane right now. So yeah. Let's see. Hi. Don't want to be rude now, do we? hi. I've said hi. He's literally downstairs. He is literally downstairs. But I'm upstairs because it gets too loud and everybody's shouting. Because we've got a weird family. Oh, yep, we're just going to do some parachute jumps. Oh, it lags. The lag, my friends. Okay. Right. Write in the comments if you know the way. So, write in the comments if you know the way. Do you know the way? Know that meme? You understand it? You know it? You are on Earth again. Write in the comments and you shall be victorious. Oh my gosh. I've got so many buffs and none of them cost Robux. Absolutely none of them. Which is the awesome bit. Bye bye, brown bear. Where are you? Tell we are going to go. You know what? I don't know if it's done, but let's see if we can go to the King Beetle and do it for you guys. Because I know how to defeat it. It's cool that they got rid of the big thing. Is he here? No. Yeah, I think I killed him this morning. But what's this red area? It kills you. Why would I need that then? Why would they put that there? I don't get it. Absolutely do not get it. Ah. Okay, I think this video is going to end here. But let's do it at a cool place. We want to do it at a really cool place, do we? Okay, right. Okay, we're up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and pass on the name of the great and almighty Foxy Gang. Yep. Okay, so, yeah. Bye!